الأخوة الكرام، لقد حافظت قطر في العام الأخير على معدلات النمو الاقتصادي المتميزة التي حققتها في السنوات القليلة الماضية، لتتصدر قائمة الدول الأعلى نمواً في العالم، وفي ظروف تداعيات الأزمة المالية التي لا تزال تضغط على الأداء الاقتصادي في عدد من المناطق حول العالم. تجاوز أداء قطر هذه التداعيات بخطوات محسوبة وراسخة.
Qatar's transformation has come about through sound economic management, responsible exploitation of Qatar's bountiful hydrocarbon resources, and planned economic diversification. This has been brought about through the wise guidance and directives of His Highness the Emir, Sheikh Hamad bin Khalifa Al Thani, who has envisaged Qatar to be a vibrant, prosperous country with all-round progress and special attention to human, social, economic, and environmental development. Qatar recognized the importance of utilizing the most efficient technologies for developing its resources. To achieve this, we have established strategic and mutually beneficial partnerships with international partners. Qafco's inception as the first Qatari joint venture company was a significant step in Qatar's industrial diversification program.
After Qafco 5, we have the production increase from 2.3 to 3.8 for ammonia, and from 3 million ton to 4.3 million ton for urea.
With the startup of this new plant, Qafco 6, the company's annual production of urea will reach 5.6 million metric ton per annum. This is a glorious example of continuity and stability, which has led to an 8-fold expansion of its urea production over the past 15 years, establishing Qafco as a key player in the global fertilizer market.
What we have here, the normal urea operation consists of the two, liquid part and the solid part. You can see this is the granulation and that is the liquid part. Basically what we do, we take ammonia and CO2. It will be introduced into the reactor. Ammonium carbamate will be formed, and then it will further react to form urea and water. Then it will go to the granulator where the urea granules form before going to urea storage at 40 degrees Celsius.
Qafco has an excellent training program where every person is given the proper training courses that enable him to perform his duty in the best way.
I'm really feel proud, and I feel it's a challenge to me that to work in the Urea 6 plant.
We are working with different people, different trades. I have learned a lot and I'm enjoying to work here.
I am proud to be part of the Qafco organization.
After Qafco 6, we will reach 5.6 million tons of urea, and this will make us the largest exporter of urea in the world, and number 4 in terms of production for urea in the world. With this 5.6 million tons per annum, makes us produce about 17,000 tons per day. This is equivalent to a shipload of 15,000, or every 3 days we can have a shipload of 45,000. We had to choose a pipe conveyor. This is the first time being used in the Middle East, and the reason for the pipe conveyor that it is totally enclosed to avoid any contamination of urea coming into the product. Qafco is competitive today because of its constant supply of natural gas and its location as in the middle of the world. We have a proximity almost to every market in the world, and also because of costs, because we have a large production from one location.
Today, Qafco is a mature company operating safely and efficiently for the past 40 years, led by a capable and experienced Qatari management. Qatar has managed its plentiful hydrocarbon resources in a sustainable manner through prudent investment in the energy sector.
Fertilizer by itself is a sustainability. Today, 90% of food production depends on manufacture of fertilizers. And if it wasn't the manufacturing of fertilizers 1 century ago, today people will go and cut trees and jungles to look for fertile land. But this manufacturing by itself is a sustainability by adding the nutrients back into the ground and reusing the ground over and over. And Qafco had made lots of projects to improve the environment. For example, we are supplying 2 of the new power stations with aqueous ammonia to reduce NOx emissions in the country. We have the Sahara Forest Projects, which is a pilot plant using waste seawater and CO2 and fertilizer to produce fresh water and some agriculture. As a part of Qatar Vision 2030, and that is food security, Qafco should play an important role because as fertilizer is directly affecting the food supply, Qafco should continue to expand.
Qafco is always on the lookout for further development, actively looking at opportunities here in Qatar and abroad for expansion and diversification into other products. We are proud that today Qatar is seen as a dependable business partner.